Hello, in this video I will be implementing a factory design pattern using payment options as a use case. In this UML class diagram, I have iPayment interface with pay method which takes single parameter and a return void. Then we have three concrete classes implement this interface, which are credit card payment, PayPal payment, and Google Pay payment. When a client wants to create an instance for any of these concrete classes, it will make a use of factory class which will have create method and taking a payment type as a factory key to create the factory instance for the client. I have created a simple console application. Now I will create iPayment interface with pay method taking input amount as double. Now I will create all three concrete classes for credit card payment, Google Pay payment, and PayPal payment and implement iPayment interface with pay method in these concrete classes. Now I will create enum class which will have all types of payment types. This payment type will be used as a factory key to create the factory instance. Now I will create payment factory class which will have create method for creating iPayment interface with one of the concrete classes based on the payment type passed as a parameter in the create function. In my program.cs, I will use payment factory class to create iPayment interface from factory by passing payment method type enum in create method. Then I will be able to use pay method from the concrete class. When I debug my code, I can see payment factory class is creating iPayment instance as expected for credit card payments. Now I will test all other payment types. Thank you very much for watching this video.